I think these are great, especially for students that may not want to move on to college. I'm not saying don't go to college, but there's students here that when they get out, they're going to be able to get jobs, get right into the workforce. We had a couple at an event we did last year, and they were hired right up. I believe one or two actually were picked right up by National Grid, and some others that I had come to the event that we did last year. So yeah, I think that coming out of BOCES with some training, they have a heads up on other people, and I think it's a great opportunity for them.
You're seeing how your dedication and effort put into the program is paying off.
I think it's important so that we know what to expect and so that we're more prepared when we go out into the world, like out of school.
I really appreciate it. It's kind of nice to be exposed to it just right at school. You can just go to school for a normal day and come here and see all this. And yeah, it definitely makes it easy to explore your options.
We absolutely love being part of this. We see a lot of potential, employees from these groups. In fact, in the recent past, DDS has hired a number of people that have come up through the ranks through different CTE programs. So we're happy to be a part of it. Happy to be more specific on the skills that these young people are going to need to actually get into the workforce for us and for other companies.